In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your domain name servers on Wix, ensuring you have the knowledge to manage your domain with confidence. Whether you're looking to configure your DNS settings, transfer your domain, or simply want to verify your setup, knowing where to find your name servers is a crucial step. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Wix account. I recommend using Chrome for this process as it tends to work best with Wix and ensures a smoother experience. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all aspects of your Wix website. From here, navigate over to your account settings. You can usually find this by looking for your profile icon or directly accessing the account settings from the main menu. Once you've opened your account settings, look for the section named Domains. This is the area where you'll manage all domain-related activities. Click on it and you'll be directed to a list of all domains associated with your Wix account. This setup makes it easy to manage multiple domains if you have more than one linked to your account. Now you'll need to select the domain you want to work with. If you have several, be sure to choose the one that matches the task you need to accomplish. Clicking on your chosen domain will bring up its management page, where you'll have access to various settings related to that domain. Next, look for an option labeled either Advanced or DNS Settings. This step is crucial because understanding DNS settings is key to managing how your domain interacts with the web. It helps determine where internet traffic gets directed, essentially governing how visitors find your website. When you find the correct option, click on it to proceed. Here, you'll be taken to a section where you can view and potentially modify how your domain routes traffic. Specifically, you'll want to locate the section that displays your current name server's information. Name servers operate much like the internet's equivalent of a phone book, helping direct traffic to the right location whenever someone types in your domain name. This information is critical for various tasks, such as connecting your domain to different web hosting services or custom email providers. Now that you've found your name servers, you can use this information as necessary for your specific task, whether that's updating, transferring, or simply verifying that everything is correct. Having easy access to these settings empowers you to confidently handle your domain management tasks moving forward, ensuring that your online presence runs smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully located your domain name